are you?
Good, and you?
I'm so excited. Are you ready to go makeup shopping?
Yes, let's
First,
go.
we're going to get some juice.
Okay,
I think
cool.
we need a green juice.
Yeah, I think so too.
Thank you. Thanks. Here we are.
Ooh.
Guys, so let's start here. This is the tinted lip oil.
That's so nice.
Beautiful. Definitely this lip color, which is like a tinted balm. This is the BD 32. Stunning. Look
That's
how
nice
beautiful.
and shimmery.
Yeah. Pretty. So the mask is the one that I really like. It's got all the vitamin A, C, E. This is amazing. How's that? Hello. Concealer. Like these are really beautiful.
Ooh, nice.
This is so pretty. So you're all hooked up.
Yes, got my Woolworths.
So Kayla, we've done your personal shopping experience at Woolworths and we've grabbed a couple of summer essentials. So I'm going to show you how to get that beautiful, glossy, dewy summer glow. And the most important thing is obviously skin preparation. So I'm going to do a little sheet mask and let's get started. We're going to add a little bit more hydration. I'm going to use the La Mer concentrate. And don't forget your neck. And a little bit over your lips is also quite beautiful. Next, we're going to hydrate under your eyes using the WBeauty Brightening Eye Gel. And just be sure when you apply it to be quite gentle under the eye area. So next, we're going to hydrate your lips using the Chanel Hydra Beauty Lip Balm. One of my favorite makeup hacks or foundation hacks is to actually apply a foundation onto a moist skin. Spray a little bit onto a sponge just to make sure it's quite moist. And then apply our foundation, which is the Chanel Ultra Lip Tint. Your shade is BD 31. This way I can control how much foundation we apply. Next, we're going to color correct under your eyes. We're going to use the WBeauty Cushion Concealer, which is slightly peachy in tone. And this is just going to neutralize the dark circles. Another hack you can do with this is actually use it around your lips to prime your lips and to make sure your lipstick stays on. So Kayla, to get that beautiful, warm, glowy, glossy looking eye, I'm going to use the WBeauty Sir John Volume 2 eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to use these beautiful warm golds, and I'm just going to do a wash of color using a big eyeshadow brush on your eyelid. Just to emphasize your crease, I'm going to go with a little bit of a darker brown just in the crease and going towards the outer corner. To brighten the inner corners, I'm going to use the Sir John Illuminating stick with a small eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to dot it on the inner corner of your eyes. I'm just going to fill your brows with the Estee Lauder Taupe eyebrow pencil. I'm going to comb your brows up with this spoolie on the one side and then just fill in any gaps with the pencil. So I'm going to set your brows with the lip balm, strangely enough, but it is one way of multitasking your products. To add a little bit of definition, I'm going to use the WBeauty gel liner in the brown, just along your tear line and in between your lashes. So Kayla, you know you curl your lashes best, so I'm going to give you the eyelash curler from WBeauty and give me a really, really good curl on each lash. We're going to add 2 layers of black mascara. I'm going to be using the Lancome Hypnose Drama. And especially with blonde eyelashes, it's important to do the top of your lashes first and then your bottom. And when you zigzag it, you make sure you coat every single lash. Another product that multitasks are these amazing WBeauty Illuminating sticks. This is a Sir John one. I'm just going to use it in the highest points of your face, like your cheekbones, along your brow bones, center of your nose, a little bit on the cupid's bow, just to illuminate. For added glow, I like to use lipsticks on the cheeks. I'm going to use a tinted lip balm from WBeauty, and the color is called Kinda Perfect, and I'm just going to dot it on the apples of your cheeks. I'm going to use the same color on your lips. I'm going to layer the lip balm with the jelly, which is also a WBeauty tinted lip oil. So I'm going to give you a bit of a sun-kissed glow. I'm using the Les Beiges from Chanel in color medium with a WBeauty fluffy brush. So I'm just going to add a little bit of highlights on your collarbone. I'm using the Nuxe Dry Oil. Because it's a summer dewy glow, I'm not going to do a pressed powder or a fixed powder. I'm going to fix your makeup using a Clarins Fix Makeup Spray. So that's how you get your beautiful bronze summer glowy skin.
Thank you.
You're welcome.